soften or wet the powder, you usually can't get enough product on the brush. So using it with your powders isn't optimal.
Okay, is this a good product right here? This one here that I have, the kind of the pod.
Yes, that's like a gel, a cream.
Yep.
Yes, in a pot. Yes.
Yep. Okay, perfect. Okay.
So I have a little gel in a pot too.
Okay.
And basically, what you would do, you want to use it at say like a how's the easiest way? A 45-degree angle away from you to scoop it up. So almost like, say, treat it like it's a spoon.
Oh, okay.
You want to get enough product on the edge of it to where, let's see, where's that?
I can see that.
You have some product on one side.
Okay.
And then when you're doing it as an applicator, you don't want to wipe it off because like I had someone, and what she was doing is when she did her application, she was at the wrong angle.
Sure.
So usually you want to be at, say, this angle when you're wiping it across on this side, and then sometimes I'll flip it over for the other side to do the other side, say if I'm doing a wing.
Okay. And I didn't even think about that to use it for the wing. Yeah, I didn't think about that to use it for the wing. I was using it for my brow, but as a wing, oh yeah, okay.
Either one, because it's got this beautiful point, so that wing just comes out nice and crisp.
Yes.
Now, when you're doing your brows, the wonderful thing is, and I kind of do it in 2 steps. I use it for the brow color, and then I use it sometimes if I want the brows to pop a little bit, I'll put a little bit of concealer or highlighter underneath.
Yes.
And then I'll use my makeup bullet to just kind of pat that down to kind of ombre that out so you don't have it too, pronounced.
And she said the makeup bullet, you guys. Yes, that's my favorite. That's one of her favorite products. Where is it? That is one of my favorite products that she has.
Yes. So what I would do, I need another mirror. Here we go. Mirror.
And you gotta showcase that makeup bullet, even though I know otherwise I can get mine, because I definitely have some.
Oh, they can see it?
Yeah,
They can see it?
I have you on my Zoom live, girl. Yes, on my Instagram.
Girl.
I am giving you major shout. Baby, we be in the real deal. Entrepreneurs, we're not always fabulous. Because we working too hard, girl. I'm on with Eva Jane, 2-time Emmy award-winning makeup artist. She's teaching me how to use one of her products, y'all. So, the angle brush.
Okay.
The angle brush, she's showing me how to use it.
So here's the makeup bullet.
That's my favorite product, y'all.
Bullet.
I love the makeup bullet. Yes.
This is one that I just used yesterday to do my makeup.
I love that product.
On your finger, and you can just apply and blend. So it's great to use them in tandem.
Yes.
So for my brows, like I have nothing on them right now. So I have, the product is basically on the top of the brush, and and this is actually a black, so I wouldn't necessarily put it straight on there. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this black as an eyeliner, and then I'm going to take some of this residue so that it's not so strong.
Yes.
And I'm going to use the residue on my brow. So then I can kind of pull it up. I usually start with that bottom line. Get that nice and clean. Might need to turn this up.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
You can see there. Get it nice and clean. And then from the top, now I'm going to get a little more product on here. I'm going to go on the inside of my eye.
I really like the idea of using that for that wing. I like that a lot.
And then I'm going along the top of my brow. And for this color, because sometimes I'll just make black do a whole lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And I mean, and it does depend on if it's going to be too strong on you. I mean, you might, of course, want to use a brown. But sometimes if I really want to show up,
yes,
you can kind of see the difference.
Good. Very good. Yeah.
Yeah. And I'll just kind of go along that top and then just kind of pull it down and pull it up.
Okay. Thank you for showing me that, girlfriend. Yes.
But it's great for that wing. I mean, you can just take it right along there And the shape of the brush makes a beautiful wing, just naturally.
I love it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Eva Jane, for that tip, girlfriend. I love